Ingat
Ano
sa
ba?
pumunta.
3 seconds, 3 seconds, 3, 2, 1.
Ingat
Ito,
sa
ito,
sword.
ito.
Ingat sa sword. Ingat sa sword.
DPS ready, ready, DPS ready.
Ready, ready.
DPS, no contra na, no contra. Oh, defensive, defensive sa front, defensive, defensive.
Pala pala lang yung
Look
ano.
west, look west, look west, look west. Heal pa.
Fail, fail.
Heal front line, heal front, heal front, heal
Heal
front.
nyo lang to, heal nyo yung backline, heal nyo yung backline. Look on backline guys, 3, 2, 1. Drop, drop backline, drop, drop, drop. Nice drop, nice drop. Kill them, kill them, kill them all, kill them all. Kill them all.
Boost na sila?
Follow west,
Mount
follow west.
Mount up,
Follow
mount up
west,
lang.
follow crowd, follow crowd, follow, heal crowd, heal crowd.
Ready, ready.
Heal crowd, defense ready. Hilama, hilama. DPS ready now? Okay, DPS ready now. Look on west ha. In 3, 2, 1. Drop on ground, drop on ground. Drop, drop,
Heal,
drop,
heal,
drop,
heal,
drop, drop.
heal, heal, heal,
Drop
heal.
on ground. Nice drop, nice drop. Kill them. Run them over. Kill.
Run over, run over, run over.
Wag mo na mag-loot, wag mo na mag-loot.
Roll them all guys. Kill them, roll them all. DPS ready, pakicall ha. DPS ready ha, pakicall.
Hold on pa, Jeep. Wala pa assassin at Jeep lang.
Sige.
Fail, fail, fail.
Okay, sige. Run them over.
Ito na
5 seconds, 5 seconds.
Defensive ha, defensive look ha. Defensive lagi.
Ready. DPS
Ready,
ready.
DPS, okay. Look on northwest, look on east ha, look on east.
Mounted yung ano?
3, 2, 1. No.
Bong, putang ina mo. Ubus. Gago. Walang buhay. Ang ina mo.
Ayalip kayo.
Mantap guys, mantap. Follow.
Uy. Ano yan?
Follow.
Battlemont yan.
Battlemount to,
Bottom
battlemount
up,
to.
bottom up.
Follow guys, follow.
Gago, nakuha yung battle mo, sayang.
Run them over
Ayan,
guys, run them
Gusto ko
over.
gamitin eh.
Big na kill.
Ah.
Tong ina pitos.
Guys, I want heal on front guys, I want heal on front guys. Lo ako. Kaso di ko kailangan ko sundan.
Mount up
May
likod,
DPS
mount
ako
up.
sa likod, may DPS ako sa likod.
Diretso.
Nakamount.
Okay lang yung mga naka, sige lang. Heal on front guys, heal on front. Sino kailangan mag-heal on front? Sino kaya? Guys, look on Kran ha. Look on Kran to, hilong nila to si Carabos, iba dito. So, look on Kran in 3, 2, 1. Drop on Kran, drop. Nice drop. Ganyan na to.
Boom.
No mana yan, Carabos na yan. Di ba dyan kay Pigon? Oh, patayin nyo. Kill nyo.
Bading.
Yung 8.1 pre, na naman namatay na, kuya.
Patayin nyo to, di ba mahal na mahal nyo si Carabos? So, patayin nyo.
Kuya, yung 8.1 po, yan, namatay.
Namatay nga.
Ito, drop
Mga
it,
weak
oh.
shit.
Tumatakbo ata ng North, pakisundan yung tumatakbo North. I need one, I need one ditang guys sa hecho natin. One ditang sa hecho natin.
May mag-loot ba? Kip walang nag-loot ba lahat?
Unang namatay si Waizu.
Kagi, sipet, bakit mo sinalo yun?
Gago. Patay si Sleeplet.
Ano natin?
Ina.
Wala.
Ay, 8 5
Guys,
Ano tawag sa
Echo,
Echo,
Echo, guys. Sino ka nakamount? Echo, go back, mga nakamount.
Echo.
Nandun yung siomay. Wala daw.
Sige lang,
Wala
go
daw
back,
siya,
Echo.